Hi, welcome to the Diamond channel. If you're new to me, thank you very much for clicking on this video. I'm Chris Bilton, I'm a jeweller from the UK. I was there as a professional jeweller for over 2 decades, making high-end bespoke handmade pieces. But then I moved to Japan, so now I'm here with my little setup at home, making jewellery making instructional videos. Today, quick one, I want to show my technique for unsoldering joins. Like, for example, like you might have a ring, might be some delicate engraving around the outside or some sort of pattern. And to cut through it, you'll lose a bit of the pattern or some sort of writing or something. So if you can find a join, sometimes it's preferable just to open that join rather than cutting through it, just to try and pull it open. So I'll show you how I set things up to do that kind of with control, because you don't want to end up over yanking things, or you don't want to melt it while you're trying to pull it, because everything's all wobbly, not set up nicely. So I'll show you what I do, what works for me. So it would be nice if you could just hold it, say 2 sets of tweezers, and sort of open it under heat, but you can't do that. You need one hand free for your torch. And yeah, I do know about those bench set gas pipe things, and then you've got your mouthpiece to blow on it. I don't like those. I used to use one, hated it. So yeah, what I do is, this works for me, it's the way I do it. Everyone's got different ways of working, but all I can do on this channel is show you what I do and what works for me. So yeah, I've got these little slots in my bench peg, yeah. So I have that, the join there, hold that on the side. That goes in there nice and strong. So that is quite sturdy, yeah? That's quite important, that's quite strong. I'll have the heat on it, my right hand, going on the join there, joins there, heat on it, and then I can pull it open. So let's try it. This is quite, I've chose this ring, this was the ring I made for that I don't like rawhide mallet videos. I chose this because it's quite a difficult ring to open. There's a lot of strength in that, it's quite a thick band. So if I can do it with control here, then you should be able to do it with anything else. So I'm going to flux it. Anything I unsolder, I always flux it, because I just feel like it can only be a benefit, can't it? So I'll see if I can use this big chunky torch rather than wasting my gas on my other one. So get it hot. Let me just see if I can show you this without burning myself and showing you it on camera. So I will get it hot, kind of nearly to where the solder is going to melt. Okay. Ah, come on. Right, I've got to get this focus sorted. Right, there's one feature on these video cameras that doesn't exist, and it really should. It's being able to click a button and then disable the autofocus. That would be tremendous help. So let's get this hot again. So I just hold it there. And putting pressure on it, yeah? Pulling it towards me. There you go. Nice and controlled. Pull that open. Now, just to state the obvious, those tweezers are really hot, so I'll get a fresh pair of tweezers and then just knock it up and then take it away. Put those down somewhere where they're not going to injure you. And there you go. Opened ring. Okay, so yeah, that's it. A quick video. Just wanted to highlight my technique for unsoldering solder joins. It's useful having the little slot in the peg, and then you can do it with control. We don't want to end up pulling too hard, or I don't know, maybe it's a bit of a trick. It's a sort of combination of getting the heat in the right place, holding it in the right place, pulling the right amount of tension, but yeah, it's relatively easy to do, so I recommend it. Okay, that's it. Let me just mention I'm on Patreon. If you can become a patron of the channel, I'd be so grateful. Really going to be helping me continue this channel and grow it more. So yeah, enabling me to put out more content that'll be useful for people practicing jewellery and learning it and improving their skill. So yeah, I would like to do that, but I need a bit of help. Okay, cool. Thanks for watching. Click like, subscribe if you have not done already, and I'll see you next time. See you later. Bye.